All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this has probably got to be one of the better experiences that I've had with a Zerolemon case. Now, this is a 7500 Zerolemon case for the Oneplus 6T. So let's start with the design here. And I've had this for a little over 2 weeks probably, but want to use it, check it out. So the design in the back here, kind of wish this was a little bit smaller and just kind of focus on the camera area and the LED, but this is the design they chose, and I'm sure there's some reason for doing that. But yeah, that's how that looks in the back. On this side here, you notice you got your vibrate and mute switch open, which it has to be, and then you've got a power and then a full-size USB there. You've got two speaker grills down here, and then you have the charging port down here, the volume, and then a microphone up here, and then you even have a little hint of lip protection. So the reason I say this is a better experience is because look at the way this one is built compared to some of the other bulkier cases that I get from Zerolemon. This one has kind of a design where it's easy on the hand, which is pretty sweet, man. It rests in your hand and it's not as big as the phone. The phone is kind of up here and the battery is back here, which I think is a great design. Now, I'm not taking away from the fact that this is a huge case, triples the size of your phone. But you will get the battery power out of it. This is a 7,500 milliamp hour battery pack in here. And it's also a battery power bank. You can literally charge something else with this with no problem, man. So you just kind of pop it out. This one kind of comes apart. Drop test. This one kind of comes apart, like literally comes all the way apart. You can take it all apart like this. And so there's your 7,500. You got a button back here to check the power. What you have left, and you can plug in other things to charge this, to charge other things. Well, that's really good about this one. I really like it, man. That's why I said this has probably been one of the better experiences that I had with a Zerolemon case. I like all the different kinds of Zerolemon cases. I have them all pretty much, and this is another style that I really like. But when they're going really, really big like this, I do think it's a good idea that they put a port here to charge other things. And I'm glad that they have this kind of sloping design where the phone kind of sits on top of the battery and it makes it smaller in the hand. I'm not saying that this is a excellent way to do a battery pack or this is perfect, but it is definitely a step in the right direction for me. And I really think that if they start making them smaller with sloping backs like this or anything even better, this will be an even better experience because you're going to get at least, now I already get like days and hours of screen on time, 8 to 10 hours of screen on time on the Oneplus. Using this, you can go days, and depending on who you are, you can go a week or more probably, man. This is just a beautiful thing. These cases are they're not for everybody, and they're never going to win any awards on looks, but it does what it says it's supposed to do, which is give you more power. And that's what it's about. So it's man Jay, Zerolemon case, man. This one is actually really, really good compared to several other ones that I've come across or that I've tested with Zerolemon that are huge like this. This one feels the best in hand with the way it's built. I'm really feeling this. So it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the Zerolemon 7500 case for the Oneplus 6T. I'll leave a link in the description. Go get yours.